Login loop error on Zopa Invest Fix. If you keep logging into your Zopa Invest account only to get kicked back to the sign-in screen again and again, you're caught in what's known as a login loop. It's annoying, but here's the good news: the fix is fast, and most people overlook the real cause. The surprising truth is that it's not your password or your account. It's usually stored cookies or cached data confusing the system. Here's what to do. First, close the Zopa app or browser completely. Then, clear your cache and cookies. On desktop browsers, open your privacy settings and delete cookies and cached images. On mobile, go to Settings, select the Zopa app, and tap Clear Cache. Next, make sure your app or browser is updated to the latest version. Zopa regularly updates its lock-in security, and outdated versions sometimes fail to connect properly. Updating can instantly fix the loop. If that doesn't work, switch your internet connection, move from Wi-Fi to mobile data or another network. Some routers and public Wi-Fi systems block secure authentication cookies by default. Also, check that your browser allows cookies and JavaScript. If they're disabled, Zopa can't keep your session active, forcing you to log in again and again. Finally, when you log in, type your credentials manually instead of relying on autofill. Mole data errors can trigger repeated logins without warning. After you've cleared your cache, updated your app, and checked your network, try logging in again. You should go straight to your Zopa Invest dashboard without looping back. So remember, the next time you're stuck in the lock-in loop, don't waste time resetting your password. Just refresh your data and settings. It usually solves the problem in minutes. With that fixed, you can get back to tracking your investments and managing your returns effortlessly.